Hi everyone, today I will be making pandan cake with sticky rice. The outer part is slightly salty with the aroma of coconut milk, and the filling made from sweet sticky rice. Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients for the filling. We have glutinous rice, coconut milk, sugar, salt, black eye bean, and shredded coconut. And here are the ingredients for the wrapper. We have flour, coconut milk, eggs, pandan leaf, salt, and water. For the first step, we will start with the filling. First, clean 3.5 ounces of black eyed pea, then boil it. To boil these black eyed peas, I use 3 cups of water. The water is boiling, but keep boiling it for another 5 more minutes. Do not overcook it because we will steam it again. Okay everyone, now the black eyed peas are cooked. After that, let's go to the glutinous rice. I soak 1 pound of glutinous rice in the water for an overnight. So after soaking, let's clean it well. Everything is prepared, so time to make the mixture. Pour 1 cup of coconut milk, half teaspoon of salt, 5.5 tablespoons sugar, then stir to dissolve it. Then put the soaked glutinous rice in, cook black eyed peas, half pound of shredded coconut. Then we have to stir to combine everything well. Next, we will put the mixture into the steaming cloth. And finally, we will put the pandan leaves. Now the glutinous rice mixture is ready, so we can bring a half pot of water to a boil and then we steam it. The steaming time is 1 hour. About 20 minutes later, open the cover, and if the sticky rice is dry, you can drizzle some water and continue steaming until it's cooked. Finally, the sticky rice is well cooked. The taste is so good. So this is our filling. We have done it. Let's move to the outer parts. First, we have to cut 6 pandan leaves into small pieces. And then we will blend it with 1.5 cups of water. Then we will drain the fiber out. So now we have 1.5 cups of pandan water. So this step we will mix everything together. First we will put 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, then mix it well. Next, put 2 whole eggs. Pour 1.5 cup of pandan water and mix it again. Next, we will use 1 cup of coconut milk. Stir it well one more time. And then we will drain the flour mixture to remove the lumps or clumps. If you don't do this, the texture of the wrapper won't be smooth. The flour mixture is ready, so time to make the outer part, the wrappers. To make a beautiful color and the smooth wrappers, we will use low heat. We have to wait until the pan turns hot, and then we can pour the mixture in. Then we cover the lid for 1 minute. About 1 minute we can see that the wrapper is cooked, so transfer it into the plate and repeat the process until you finish the flour mixture. When you finish the outer parts, you can start wrapping it. Put the steamed sticky rice in, Then we can wrap the cake as you can see in the video. Now we have pandan cake with sticky rice. It looks so good and yummy. The outer part is soft and chewy, and the filling is super delicious. If you add more roasted sesame seeds, shredded coconut and sugar, this cake will be similar to tapioca wafer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next delicious recipes. Bye!